Hi guys, welcome back to Anyone Can Cook. I'm Jamie and today we're gonna be making shrimp tacos. Since the last episode we were making Mexican tostadas, I would like to continue with this Mexican theme, so let's get started. The ingredients necessary for this recipe are corn tortillas, shrimp, fresh or frozen, with some spices. If you want, you can add garlic, lime, cayenne, paprika, salt and pepper. Also, 2 small or 1 large avocado, Cotija cheese, which is Mexican cheese. Also, sour cream or Greek yogurt combined with vinegar, honey, a little bit of garlic, some spices. I'm gonna list all the spices down below in the description. Also, red pepper, some garlic, limes, cilantro, and a quarter or half a head of a cabbage. The equipment necessary for today, it's a cutting board, a griddle, small saute pan, spatula, a couple of knives, spoon, and a lime squeezer. So we can start by mincing the garlic. So let's peel. It's better if we get very small pieces because we're gonna add this to the small salad or coleslaw that we're gonna add to the tacos. As small as you can. So we're gonna add some to the dressing for the coleslaw or salad for the tacos. And I'm going to save a little bit to saute the shrimp. Now we're gonna cut the cabbage. So we're gonna do small strips. It's better if you do very thin slices. These are gonna give a nice bite to the tacos. Once we finish slicing in one direction, we're gonna turn around and cut in quarters. Now we're gonna slice the red pepper. So cut the ends. Slice on one side. Open it up. Remove the seeds. Remove this white part because this doesn't taste good. So you can get rid of these. And you can cut it in half. Then we're gonna get very thin slices. As thin as you can. Then we'll turn them around and cut them in 3 parts. You know, I don't like to waste, so try to get as many pieces as you can and get rid of the white part. Then we're gonna mince very tiny pieces. We're gonna leave some large ones for garnish. Hey guys, don't forget to show the love for Anyone Can Cook. Go down below in the description and hit the thumbs up button. Okay, so we can add all this cilantro to the rest of the vegetables. Then we're gonna mince not too small pieces for garnish. They can be rough pieces. Now we can go ahead and combine the salad or coleslaw. So I'm gonna combine the sour cream or Greek yogurt with garlic, spices, salt, honey. So I'm gonna add all of these. Then we can squeeze a lime on this and combine everything. It's nice if you do this ahead of time so all the flavors get combined. The cabbage and the peppers get a little soft because of the vinegar. If you like your slaw very creamy, just go ahead and add more sour cream or Greek yogurt. So now we can go ahead and saute the shrimp and heat up the tortillas. So you can work the shrimp over medium heat and the tortillas over low heat. Once the pan is hot, we're gonna add some oil, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna add the garlic that I minced earlier. Just a little bit. Once it becomes a little fragrant, then we can add the shrimp, which I previously seasoned with cayenne, salt, pepper. It's really nice if you have fresh shrimp, but if you only have frozen, that's fine. Feel free to add as many spices as you want. I added some extra paprika, some extra garlic. Don't let them cook for too long, otherwise they're gonna shrink too much. Then for the last part, we're gonna get pieces of avocado. So we're gonna cut it in half all the way through. So I'm just gonna remove the brown part. It's just part of the seed. Then we're gonna slice it. Just go deep enough so you can touch the skin of the avocado without cutting through. Then the other way. Then just grab a spoon and go all the way to the bottom. We're gonna save these to the side and we're gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon so the avocado doesn't turn brown. They don't have to be perfect. You can even smash the avocados if you want. So now we're gonna move on to my favorite part, guys. We're gonna serve some tacos. So we're gonna start with a tortilla, some avocado. So you don't want too many ingredients, just enough. So you're gonna put everything in the center. Then we're gonna add the slaw or salad. Then shrimp. We're gonna add some cheese. And finish it up with some cilantro. Then just repeat. So some avocado, some slaw, shrimp, cheese, cilantro. Add a little bit of the sauce of the shrimp. And there you have them, guys. Fresh shrimp tacos. Delicious. And of course, guys, I have to taste one of these at least. It's so good, guys. It's creamy, fresh, sweet, spicy. It's just delicious. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you next week.